All right. Welcome back, my regular viewers, listeners, and watchers. And of course, if you happen to be here for the very first time, welcome. Before I go any further, my name is Rahul George, India's premier eye hypnosis life healer coach and your personal guide. And of course, for those of you who are regular viewers, listeners, and watchers of our podcast, the Eye Hypnosis Life Coaching Journeys, you know that this is a pod that has been curated for you. We find the best of healers and coaches from literally across the country. And the intention, of course, is to bring their story into your life so that you can not only be inspired, but also be reminded that you are truly on the way. So I have somebody, a very remarkable person who will, share her story with you. If, of course, you've already seen our posters, then you know who you will be meeting today. And of course, Natasha, this is your cue. So you can go ahead and turn on your camera and your mic. And firstly, warm welcome.
Thank
I
you,
know it's summertime, but warm welcome to the pod, and thank you for making the time to be here.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Rahul. You gave such a beautiful introduction of me. Even I'm impressed.
Is it me? Yes, it is you.
Yes, is it
And
me?
here's something I must say that you know to start with, and this is the reason why we set it up like this, which is to say that there may be people who are watching you today who already know you. There may be people who are maybe meeting you for the first time, right?
Sure.
So it's like if someone was to say, "So Natasha, what do you do?" What would you say?
Okay, so I'm a life coach and a graphotherapist. I
Right.
heal people with the help of graphotherapy.
Nice.
Although I know meditations, NLP, and all that processes, I can help them. But my purpose of life is through healing through graphotherapy.
Beautiful. Love that. So healing
Because,
through
yeah,
graphotherapy.
because I will tell you one thing, Rahul.
Hmm.
I myself got healed through that.
Beautiful. So that is something that we will definitely be tapping into today. We will be exploring your story of how this happened, and I'm sure through your story, and as you know, we've been talking about it. People who are our viewers, our listeners, and our watchers are primarily people who are healers, people who are coaches, people who are on that journey already, right? So for them, they get to hear your story, and maybe they're just starting off, maybe they are a couple of paces ahead and on from where they began, but hearing your story, I know, will definitely inspire them and so much more, right? So maybe as they say, let's go back in time to where this all began, right? How did all of this come to be?
You actually touched my heart by asking how it began. The story is like very different for me. Yeah, 2020, I'll start my journey from. March 2020, my surgery was planned. My hysterectomy was planned. And on 15th March, my hysterectomy happened. And on 23rd March, as you all know, pandemic,
Yes.
right? And I actually knew one modality, access consciousness, before this.
Right.
So I had the power of it कि मेरे को थोड़ा सा कहते हैं ना उसकी statements आती थी and all that, and I started believing God से ज़्यादा ये अपना जो मतलब भगवान वाले God से ज़्यादा universe में, because वो language ऐसी होती है.
Correct.
So I just prayed just before this my hysterectomy. I was very scared from inside. I don't know why, but somehow it was a part of me which was going. I was very scared. So I just prayed कि भगवान मेरा बुटीक बंद ना हो, and सब कुछ सही चले, है ना? ऐसे करके I just went for surgery. And when I got back, the whole universe was closed.
Right. So beautifully put. I've never heard this before. That's why I'm like, I know it was a really tough time for all of us, but I've never heard it. I've never heard it being said like this.
And you know what my husband says? कहते इतने इतनी पावरफुल है, अपना बुटीक बचाने के चक्कर में पूरी दुनिया को ही बंद करके बैठ गई है. So the story starts from here.
Right.
Losing an organ, and then that time, Corona, mein, everybody was working, as if,
Yeah. Yeah.
and I was a privileged one because I had hysterectomy. I didn't got
Right.
to do anything,
Right.
My husband was doing work, my beta was
Right.
doing work, my sasuma was doing, but I was not
Wow.
doing.
Wow.
I was enjoying.
Hmm.
And here I say, I am the chosen one, भगवान
Hmm.
ने भी प्रिविलेज किसी को दी होती है.
Hmm.
जबकि दैट टाइम तो बहू रानीज वर सो मच एक्टिव एंड
Yeah.
मेरा बेटा था. आई वाज एंजॉयing दैट पीरियड.
Hmm.
एंड देन on 20th of August,
Hmm.
somehow I had a fever kind of thing,
Hmm.
which was not going, which was not making me comfortable. So
Hmm.
I thought, let me go through the checkups because I thought कि मुझे कोरोना हो गया है.
Hmm.
तो
Correct.
जब चेकअप करवाया तो वो कोरोना नहीं, वो फाइनली करते करते बाय 28 सितंबर
Hmm.
2020 it was declared that I am a cancer patient.
Wow.
And it was like मैं हूँ, तो आई वाज लाइक कि सी से कोरोना तो छोटा हो रहा था, तो सी से कैंसर पकड़ लिया मैंने.
Wow.
तो that time also I was making jokes, and that time also I was saying कि अब ये हो गया है तो अब कुछ नहीं कर सकते भैया. आप जिंदगी में दो ही ऑप्शन है, या तो आगे चलो या तो छोड़. एंड seeing my baby, he was just in 4th class. तो I said कि नहीं, nothing doing, Natasha, you have to live for him, right? And within 3rd day, when my PET scan was done, I was totally fine, and I actually had that courage and this kind of zeal to fight.
Hmm. Hmm.
I'll be over it.
Wow.
And very soon, Rahul, things changed for me.
Hmm.
And so beautifully they changed. Like my relationship with my in-laws, my relationship with my husband, they all started taking a lot of care of me,
Hmm.
जब कैंसर हो गया है तो वही बात है, अब तो बलबौनी हो गया सबका कि तो ये जा रही है तो we have to. And that caring part, that was something which took me to cloud number 9.
Wow.
And I started saying कि ये हुआ ही इसलिए था ताकि आप लोग मेरा ध्यान रखो.
Right.
तो फॉर एवरी, जैसे कहते हैं ना, हम ग्लास कितना भरा हुआ और कितना खाली है, वो सिनारियोज होते हैं. एक बंदा कहेगा ग्लास भरा हुआ है, एक कहेगा खाली है. आई ऑलवेज सेड द ग्लास इज फिल्ड. मैंने हर कमी में भी हमेशा अच्छाई देखी. दैट इज मी, दैट इज नताशा. कभी बुरा दिखता ही नहीं. तो एक इसी ग्रेस के साथ, इसी पॉजिटिविटी के साथ मैंने अपनी पूरी कैंसर जर्नी, आई लिटरली फॉट. एंड आई फॉट लाइक अ, जैसे कहते हैं ना, वेरी स्मूथ, प्रिंसेस जैसे कोई. आई रियली फॉट इट वेरी ग्रेसफुली. जब मुझे कीमोपोर्ट लगा, आई वाज टेकिंग पिक्स ऑफ मी, आई वाज शेयरिंग इट विद माय फ्रेंड्स कि गेस व्हाट हैपेंड. So that's me. Means crazy हूँ मैं. मैं बॉल्ड हुई बिकॉज बाल मेरे खाने में गिरने लगे. आई डिडंट लाइक दैट. तो आई डिसाइडेड कि मैं बाल अपने सारे खुद ही शेव करवाए. एंड जिस दिन मैंने शेव करवाया उस दिन क्या था, करवा चौथ. On that, ladies get ready.
Yeah.
I was getting my head shaved. And then I was happy, but I was very happy in everything which I did. I got photos clicked. Till date, I have photos of mine. I really love that. And when I see them now, I feel, Natasha, where have you come from? It gives me so much power.
Yeah.
It gives me so much कि लाइफ में अब गिरना नहीं है.
Wow.
That willpower, So things changed. But Rahul, finally surgery हो गई, ठीक हो गया, cancer free हो गई. Now it is, I'm talking about 2023. Right? It is March 2023. Now, things have changed. My father is no more now. And I am taking my mother to Jagannath Puri. Right? I'm going there and nobody is supporting me again. As पहले होता था, वो सपोर्ट चली गई, वो सारा कुछ वही बातें आने लग जाती है. तो that time when I got there at Puri, तो मैंने जगन्नाथपुरी से जब मैं वापस आ रही थी, मैंने सिर्फ एयरपोर्ट पे एक चीज बोली. मैंने कहा, भगवान, अगर मेरी जिंदगी का कुछ पर्पस है तो वो मेरे सामने ला दो, और अगर कुछ नहीं है तो प्लीज टेक मी अवे. आई डोंट वांट माय लाइफ टू बी दैट लाइफ जिस लाइफ से मैं लड़के यहाँ तक पहुंची. आई डोंट वांट दैट. बहुत मेहनत करी है, बहुत हिम्मत दिखाई है, तब यहाँ आए, एंड स्टिल अगेन नो मोर. And then at airport itself, I saw the visual of Dr. Meghna Dikshit. How powerful the universe is. And she was like talking ki rewiring of brain. She was talking like that. And मुझे उस टाइम ये सब लैंग्वेज नहीं समझ में आती थी. मेरे लिए तो था कि पता नहीं कुछ बता रही है ये, ठीक है, स्मार्ट सी लेडी एंड शी इज टेलिंग समथिंग. ओके, फाइन. तो I just look at that ad and I just shut it off. बंद कर दो. Then मैं कभी Instagram जो देखती नहीं हूँ, सोचो मैंने फिर भी उस दिन वो ad देखी because universe had plans for me. And then जब मैं घर आती हूँ, मेरे को कोई बेटे का Gmail आना था, मेल पे आना था कुछ. तो I just went through my Gmail and उसमें भी she is there, she is popping up there and she is saying, अरे you just didn't sign me for 99 rupees. 99 rupees में आता क्या है? And I am very scared कि इसको कैसे पता चल गया कि मैंने इसको देखा है. Because I am living in Patiala. I am not in any metro city that have that kind of mindset. हम तो छोटे से टाउन में रहते हैं, छोटा ही दिमाग हो गया, इतना ज्यादा सोचा नहीं. How this lady following me? मैं तो डर गई. जिसे कहते हैं ना, मेरी तो जान ही निकल गई. डर के मारे ऐसे, यार तू दे इसको 99 रुपीज, नताशा पीछा छुड़ा इससे. I just paid. And within a week, on Sunday morning, it is the class. And when I was taking her class, that was not, I was making bread rolls for my family because Sunday. But somehow I had कि चलो उसको ऑन करके रख देती हूँ, कुछ तो कानों में जाना होगा, जाएगा नहीं, जाना होगा नहीं, बिकॉज मेरे को ये भी डर लग रहा था कहीं फिर से इसका मैसेज आ रहा है कि उन्हें देखा क्यों मुझे. तो आई वॉज स्केयर्ड अबाउट दैट. तो वो चला के मैंने रख दिया. एंड आई डोंट नो, अ पार्ट ऑफ मी गॉट कनेक्टेड. I myself didn't got connected, but a part of me definitely got hooked there.
Right.
And she asked कि you can upgrade, and I did. So that was from 99 to 4 nines, 10,000. I did that without any asking because I run a boutique. तो इतना कोई दिक्कत नहीं था पैसे का. I just did it. अब वो भी 3 दिन का क्लास हो गया. पहली बार मैं जिंदगी में अकेले बैठी हूँ 3 दिन, सुबह से लेकर रात तक. मुझे तो आइडिया भी नहीं कि इतना पढ़ना पड़ेगा. एंड डॉक्टर मेघना दीक्षित तो इज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट भैया, मतलब वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट. एंड शी इज माय फर्स्ट कोच. सो आई डोंट नो कि बाकी कोचेस कैसे होते हैं, कैसे नहीं होते.
बिल्कुल.
शी इज लाइक, शी 9 तो 9 बजे बज गए तो आई एम हियर, आई एम शोइंग अप, एंड नो ब्रेक्स एंड नथिंग डूइंग. चलो जी बैठ जाओ. सुबह 9 बजे बैठो, शाम को 6-7 बजे छुट्टी मिल रही है तो मिल रही है, कई बार तो वो भी 8-9 बज रहे हैं. एंड इन ब्रेक्स ऑल्सो शी इज रनिंग स्टोरीज. So much gyan she gives that it really woke me up. And it was a moment when I realized कि मैं लाइफ में कर क्या रही हूँ. मैं आर्किटेक्ट हूँ, मैं बुटीक चला रही हूँ, और मैं अपनी फैमिली के प्रेशर्स में, रिलेशंस में इतना ज्यादा दबी हुई हूँ कि मैं अपने आप की वर्थ ही नहीं जान रही हूँ. So that time was something which shook me off.
Wow.
And then story changed for me. Then again she says, sign me up for a bigger program, and that costs now 1 lakh. Right. And I'm like, अब भैया ये 1 लाख कहाँ से आएगा? तो आई आस्क्ड माय हस्बैंड कि आशु मैं क्या वो कर लूं, फाइनेंस ऑप्शन दे रहे हैं वो, तो
Right.
मे आई टेक इट? एंड ही इज लाइक दिमाग खराब है तुम्हारा, तुम्हारा तो दिमाग ही खराब हो गया. So I was like, "Just चुप हो जाओ, शट अप हो जाओ, कोई फायदा नहीं बोलने का." But universe had plans for me, you know. Somewhere I was so curious to get into that I managed कहीं कहीं कैसे कैसे भी करके गूगल पे करके
Right.
मैंने 18th May को I paid my payment and sat for the class.
Wow.
And now I am a master champion, you know. And my journey actually changed from there. वहां पे मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि जिसे कहते हैं ना, मैम ने हमारी कम्युनिटी बनाई. यू नो द वैल्यू ऑफ कम्युनिटी. इट्स ब्यूटिफुल राहुल, इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. पहली बार मुझे ये बात समझ में आई तब कि अगर हमारी कम्युनिटी चेंज होती है, अगर हमारा इन्वायरमेंट चेंज होता है, तो कैसे सब कुछ चेंज हो जाता है.
True.
So that was the time when I realized the value. Her statement, environment is powerful than willpower. Her statement was actually my life now. And that commitment came from inside कि भैया कुछ करना है. And that community, उसमें एक system था that you मतलब you mentor and you take classes. क्लासेस में हम क्या करवाते थे, मेडिटेशंस, वही जो मैम के प्रोसेसेस थे, मेडिटेशंस, प्रोसेसेस एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड दैट वाज गिवन टू अस, मतलब एक प्रॉपर ऐसे फाइल सी बना देते थे हाफ एन आवर की, दैट वी हैड टू प्ले फॉर रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास. मींस अगर आप सोचो इनरोल कर रहे हैं अराउंड 300 पीपल, तो 5 or 6 आर मेंटर्स एंड रेस्ट दे आर टेकिंग द बैचेस, डिफरेंट बैचेस एंड टेकिंग द क्लास. एंड आई वाज वेरी कमिटेड. 6-7 बने हम में से मेंटर्स, बट आई वाज द ओनली वन जो सुबह भी ले रही है, दोपहर को भी ले रही है, शाम को भी ले रही है क्लासेस. एंड बिकॉज आई एम नताशा एंड फुल ऑफ डेडिकेशन. सो यू नो दैट वाज माय जर्नी. आई नेवर न्यू कि ये क्लासेस लेना इतना जिंदगी में चेंज हो जाएगा कि मैं आज के दिन फिर से कोच ही बन जाऊंगी. आई नेवर न्यू दैट.
Right.
बट दैट गेव मी अ सेंस ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस. दैट गेव मी अ पावर दैट पीपल नो मी एज नताशा. You know,
True.
I am someone, I am who, I am Natasha. I went to the live seminar with ma'am then, and there, like, people are, like, we are excited to meet Dr. M. People are excited to meet me. You know, you know, that was the power when I realized what a mentor means.
Right.
Because for them, to I was the mentor, na. I was taking their classes.
True.
Daily, to I was showing up. Megha ma'am to was showing up once in a month.
Correct.
But I was showing up दिन में 3 बार. So things changed, Rahul, drastically. I actually got, जैसे कहते हैं ना, वो एक चख लिया कुछ, वो कहते हैं ना, स्वाद आ गया, तो you are not able to leave it. तो that was the thing. वो मुझे इतना बढ़िया लगा कि वो community और वो सब कुछ, that changed me. That changed my story. और फिर उसके बाद नथिंग डूइंग, आगे मैं डिजाइनर बन गई मैम की. पैसे भी अपने आप आ गए, जैसे भी आए, चाहे बजाज फाइनेंस भी, मतलब थिंग्स स्टार्टेड वर्किंग फॉर मी. रिलेशनशिप्स, जो मेरे रिलेशनशिप्स इतने खराब थे, जो मैं हमेशा ये कहती थी कि आई वाज ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ टेकिंग डाइवोर्स. आई वाज नॉट हैप्पी इन माय मैरिड लाइफ एट ऑल. एंड नाउ मी एंड माय हस्बैंड, वी आर फ्रेंड्स. And we are so good friends that now, इस टाइम अभी मैं पॉडकास्ट कर रही हूँ, तो I have told him घर का ख्याल रख लेना, have something podcast.
Beautiful.
क्या है? मैंने कहा बस जो है यही है, अब तुम करो और मैं आऊँ. And I'm sitting here.
Amazing.
Things changed, you know, everything changed. And then coaches में, if you say, पहले ऐसे धीरे धीरे, पहले डॉक्टर एम आई, फिर आगे कम्युनिटी से ही, कम्युनिटी ओनली आई गॉट टू नो डॉक्टर प्रियांक, एमवी प्रियांक. उनसे मैं कनेक्ट हुई एंड आई डिड लॉट ऑफ हिज प्रोसेसेस लाइक ऑरा हीलिंग एंड देन दैट पंचकोशा healing. That was very powerful. It changed my aura. So मैं ये नहीं कह सकती कि एक ही मेंटर से मेरी लाइफ चेंज हुई है. No.
100%.
It is with so many mentors like
Yeah.
Dr. Meghna ma'am. Then earlier also जब मैंने access consciousness किया तो मेरी mentor यहीं local थी, चंडीगढ़ की थी, नीलम साहनी. Even she helped me. तो ये नहीं है कि मेरी जर्नी में उनका कोई रोल नहीं है, उनका भी आज दिन तक रोल है. Even I am doing anything, and when she says, Natasha, you are going on the right path, I get goosebumps. Yeah. And then Dr. Meghna, then Dr. M.B. Priyank, then Titus Lawrence. He is a ping pong ball. I just love his energy. And from him, I actually got this message for my life. Do anything, but do with full energy. Do with full power. So that's my story.
Beautiful. Beautiful. So when I was looking, usually, like I said, I normally don't look at the write-up. It's more, this is such a powerful way of getting to know somebody, and these are impressions that I know will stay. And there's a reason why this podcast exists, right? Like for me, I get to meet truly amazing people, and you know this for sure, that this work we're doing एक या दो से नहीं बनेंगे. हम जैसे सैकड़ों लोग are the ones who are setting something up so that tomorrow when more and more people wake up, एक तो कोविड आया, काफी लोग उठे, बट काफी लोग वापस जाके सो चुके हैं.
बिल्कुल सो गए,
राइट? 5 साल हो चुके हैं. राइट? सो this is cyclical. So when there is, from time to time, moment to moment, when people have that awakening, we are the ones who are preparing the ground to hold that space for them. Right? So I'm just saying that that's why normally I like to hear, like literally this is my opportunity to get to meet you and get to hear, your heart story. And I happen to see the grapho part in that, and I know you mentioned that as well. How did that, because you've said it even when you started talking today, and then of course that's the beauty of the format, that, or this, the mixture, that whatever you feel in the moment, you will go to that story and you will share that in this moment, right? There's no planning. This is what we were joking about when we were offline.
Exactly.
इसके लिए प्लानिंग तो करना नहीं है, स्टोरी तो अपना ही अब बता रहे हैं आप, राइट?
Instantaneous आ रहा है वो.
Exactly. Right? So I mean, this is आज के जमाने में this is also what we call work.
Exactly.
Because ये जो हम अभी रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, this is going to make such a huge impact in someone's life who maybe they were feeling really bad for themselves. And now that they've heard you, I'm literally getting goosebumps. For them, it's like, no. If you can do this, that means that there is hope for them.
Of course, there is a lot of hope for them. And I tell you one thing, because of this suffering from cancer, I got this mission that I got to heal people before, And graphotherapy, why I got connected to it, to tell you. After Dr. Meghna's thing, it was in May 2024, right? I was somehow okay, ठीक है भैया, NLP हो गया, ये टक EFT and all, समझ में आ गई सब कुछ, सब meditation हो गई. But what is my purpose of life? I am not getting it. मैं नहीं बनी मैम की तरह ये सब कुछ बोलने के लिए और ये सब करवाने के लिए. I am not meant for it. Because everybody is not meant for the same thing.
Yes.
So I am not meant for it. तो देन ये कहते ना, स्ट्रोलिंग शुरू हुआ. कभी इधर कभी मंडला पे जा रही हूँ, कभी साउंड हीलिंग पे जा रही हूँ, कभी ग्राफोथेरेपी, कभी वो इमरान सर की क्लास आई, who actually led me to this graphotherapy. He's talking about signature analysis and I'm doing it. चलो करते हैं. I'm going here and there wherever possible. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये टकाटक मेरे लिए नहीं बना है. I am not meant for it. And I'm going everywhere. साउंड हीलर भी बन गई हूँ, मंडला आर्टिस्ट भी बन गई हूँ, राइट? एंड देन फाइनली सिग्नेचर एनालिसिस सीख लिया, बट नॉट सीख लिया है. Because हम जब तक कोई चीज करते नहीं है, वी डोंट हैंग ऑफ इट, राइट? तो वो कमांड नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, पर कर लिया, ठीक है, ओके. बट आई डिडंट नो कि उसमें ग्राफोथेरेपी आएगी, वो मुझे नहीं पता।
Hmm.
No. After signature analysis, I again joined up for
Hmm.
another session of
Hmm.
uh, Imran Beg sir,
Hmm.
and that was the first step. It is called the
Hmm.
first step, in which he takes us to 21 days of graphotherapy. And you know, everybody in my house was saying, Natasha, तेरा तो दिमाग खराब हो गया है, अब तूने ये मेघना का कर लिया है, अब स्टॉप,
Yeah.
अब रुक
Yes.
जा
Right.
भैया, 5-7 लाख रुपए पट लिए, अब तो रुक जा.
Hmm.
बट आई वॉज लाइक, आई एम तो आई एम, मैं बता रही हूँ ना, मैं तो मैं हूँ, मैं
Hmm.
आई हैव somehow, पता नहीं, मुझे लगता नहीं है मैं जिद्दी हूँ, बट व्हेन आई से, व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू, देन आई एम फीलिंग कि मैं कितनी जिद्दी हूँ, कि जो मुझे करना है मुझे तो करना ही है.
Correct.
तो वो मुझे आज रियलाइज हो रहा है, सी एवरीथिंग हाउ वी एक्चुअली रिलेट टू इट. तो मैं हूँ, यू नो, तो मुझे तो करना ही है. तो आई डिड दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप.
Right.
From there, I connected graphotherapy.
Hmm. Right.
My first book didn't make any much impact on.
Hmm.
मैं से बोलूं कि कुछ इम्पैक्ट हुआ, नहीं हुआ, बट हाँ
Hmm.
इतना जरूर हुआ कि उसमें भी मेरे को एक कम्युनिटी मिली. कम्युनिटी हर,
Hmm.
you know, and I
Correct.
had a facilitator there. She told me that my thyroid got cured with graphotherapy.
Hmm.
And what I was observing in all through my 21 days, that whenever I used to write that graphotherapy, I had lot of sweat. So much sweat. जैसे ऐसे लगता था कोई भाग के आ रही हूँ पता नहीं कितने किलोमीटर्स, you know. जैसे after workout you feel like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
Hmm.
just writing one page and you get that effect.
Wow.
So you are not even sure what is happening to
Correct.
you, you
Correct.
know. And she's saying कि कुछ हो रहा होगा. But then I'm not satisfied with her answer.
Hmm.
I am going to Dr. Meghna Dixit again. कि
Hmm.
ma'am, I'm doing something and I'm not able to handle
Hmm.
it. And she's saying, Tasha, maybe it's your emotional blockages which are getting cleared up.
Hmm.
Fine, good, good, good to hear that.
Hmm.
But still satisfaction नहीं हुई है, तो उसको
Hmm.
सर्च करने के लिए एक कोर्स और है, आगे फिर चल गए हम,
Hmm.
you know. And now I am on a journey of 30 days of graphotherapy, you know. While doing that, somewhere, मतलब, I don't know, deep down, but I had this, मैं काम होने लग गई, शांत होने लग गई. मेरी आवाज का ये जो आपको मिठास सुन रही है, it is very
Hmm.
मीठी. It
Hmm.
was not like this.
Wow.
If you have met me 6 months before, I was screaming, shouting. I was not
Hmm.
happy. This mithas came in my voice, you know,
Wow.
the settlement.
Right.
So, wow यार, क्या चीज है. एक
सही है.
पेज लिखने से अगर इतना जिंदगी में चेंज आ जाए राहुल, तो कोई पागल ही होगा जो
तो
वो
बात
ना
बन
करे.
जाए. As they
वैसे
say.
भी कोई पागल ही होगा जो वो ना करे.
Correct.
तो you know, and then there was no looking back.
Hmm.
And somewhere from that power, I got the revealing power of handwriting analysis. I started revealing things. I got seeing things. And then there was another course in that was IP. उसमें हम एक तरीके के डॉक्टर बन जाते हैं.
Hmm.
And it's a very powerful course. In it, what happens is कि through writing we can see बंदे के आर्म में दर्द है, पैर में दर्द है, सिर में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है.
Hmm.
You know, even liver, kidney, heart, everything is visible in our handwriting. Do you know that?
Wow. That's
See,
amazing.
it's so powerful.
Hmm.
तो जब मैंने वो करना शुरू किया, मुझे उसमें एक ट्रेट पता लगी, रिसेंटमेंट. एंड सर सेड कि अगर तुम्हारी राइटिंग में रिसेंटमेंट है तो कैंसर होने के चांसेस हैं, you know. And I am though cancer survivor, but still there are always chances of getting it, you know, relapsed. Because of that, मेरे को तो ये था, ये रिसेंटमेंट को तो निकालना ही निकालना. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मैंने 30 डेज बुक के बाद 40 डेज ग्राफोथेरेपी बुक करी. एंड व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग माय 40 डेज ऑफ ग्राफोथेरेपी, रिसेंटमेंट तो नहीं गया, पर जो मेरी बॉडी में पेन था, मेरे को हर रोज पेन होता था, डेली, even after so much of this NLP, EFT, everything, this pain was there with me. And मीन्स आई कैन नॉट इवन टेल यू कि अगर मैं किसी को कहती भी थी ना तो अगला ये सोचता था कि इतनी सफरिंग हुई है, ये पेन तो होएगा ही, बिकॉज दैट इज द जनरल लैंग्वेज, यू नो, कि नताशा हमें भी हो रहा है, तूने तो इतनी सफरिंग सही है तो क्या बड़ी बात है, यू नो. एंड आई वाज लाइक नो, आई एम नॉट ओके टू एक्सेप्ट दैट आई एम टेकिंग वन न्यूमिलेट पर डे. नो, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेक इट. So for that, although I was taking a alternate therapy, I have a therapist who is coming in now. He presses some points, and I feel better. It's kind of, you can say, neurotherapy it is. It's kind of which I'm taking. So it's okay. ठीक है, वो चल रहा है. But still, I am not okay with the numerate thing. You know, I want that to be deleted from my life. It's fine that I'm taking oral chemo, tamoxifen. I am on it. And I have to stay on it for 10 years. It's fine. वो आज के दिन ऐसा लगता है कि ठीक है, खा रहे हैं भैया, कहीं जा रही है, कुछ कर रही होगी, बट उसका साइड इफेक्ट आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी. बिकॉज ओरल कीमो का भी देखो साइड इफेक्ट तो होगा ही ना, बट दैट आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी. हाँ ठीक है, वेट नहीं कम हो रहा है, बट लुक्स तो पतली हो रही है ना, लुक वाइज तो पतले हो रहे हो ना. वेट नहीं कम हो रहा, कोई बात नहीं, वेइंग स्केल को तो मैं नहीं हिला सकती. But means things started working for me. So I say my journey of graphotherapy was 21 days, 30 days, now 40 days, and now finally I am on the journey of 90 days. Big long 90 days. And this 90 days is also going to bring a lot of things for me. Today I am on 45th day and you are here.
Wow, that's beautiful. Whoop, whoop. That's beautiful. Wow.
It's very
Wow.
powerful. Basically, we don't know the potential. हमें लगता है कि एक पेज लिखने से क्या हो जाएगा. ये जो थिंकिंग है ना, ये सबसे बुरी है. तो if somebody is saying, तो it means he or she must have gone through something.
Correct.
People don't realize that. If you are here, Rahul, to be very frank, if you are here, you must have gone through something. That is why you are sitting here and you are taking these podcasts.
Yep.
ऐसे ही नहीं एकदम से आप उठ के आपके बैठ जाओगे कि यार मैं यार सबके पॉडकास्ट बनाता हूँ. ऐसे नहीं होता.
Correct.
ऐसे अब नताशा एकदम से ग्राफोथेरेपिस्ट ऐसे ही नहीं बन गई है. लोगों को लगता है पता नहीं ये कहाँ से क्या क्या कर रही है, बट नहीं भैया, उसके पीछे कोई लॉजिक है, कोई साइंस है, कुछ तभी हो रहा है.
True.
ये आवाज तभी अंदर से इतनी निकल रही है क्योंकि कुछ किया है. You know, अभी संडे को आई हैड एन एग्जीबिशन. मैं करने गई थी अपने सूट्स की और वहां पे भी सिग्नेचर एनालिसिस कराई. That's the power of the signature analysis. So I did. And you know, because that was my first time कि मैं पैसे लेके कर रही थी, तो I was like very committed. कि अब जिसको भी मैं बता रही हूँ, I was even telling them the changes they should make in their handwriting. And I know that अगर तुम सिग्नेचर को करेक्शन के लिए कहीं पे भी जाओगे ना, nobody takes less than 50,000.
Right.
And I was giving them that at just 1,500. Wow. And still people are people. They'll say कि इसमें क्या है, सिग्नेचर एनालिसिस है.
Right.
And I am like कि भैया काम किया है अपने ऊपर, तब खड़े हैं हम. यहाँ पर ऐसे थोड़ी खड़े हैं.
Correct.
आप खुद डिकोड कर लो साइन. खुद क्यों नहीं कर लेते? तो बट ठीक है, पीपल आर, बट ठीक है, हर चीज राहुल लाइफ में एक कॉन्फिडेंस लाता है. आज पॉडकास्ट के लिए कॉन्फिडेंस भी शायद इसीलिए इतना ज्यादा आया क्योंकि उसने सिग्नेचर एनालिसिस किया. सिग्नेचर एनालिसिस किया इतने स्ट्रेंज पीपल के आगे, यू नो, यू आर कन्विंसिंग देम, यू आर टॉकिंग टू देम, यू आर शेयरिंग देम योर व्यूज, योर व्यू पॉइंट्स. सो इट्स अ बिग डील.
Yeah.
So sometimes it's okay to get less paid. It's okay. But you gain confidence.
Yeah. That's the invaluable piece, isn't it?
Yeah.
उसका value तो it's like वो you're buying many वो plots होते हैं ना,
बिल्कुल.
बहुत सारे plots खरीद रहे हैं आप, and at the right time you will have literally वो जैसे आपका पूरा empire है, kingdom है, right? Because this is what will come back to you.
Exactly.
At the right time. It's really beautiful. I love the, you know, like we had a really powerful session. So I generally do two podcasts, especially on Thursdays.
Okay.
And I'm just, I mean, it's like I literally have very few words to actually describe what I'm feeling right now because it's really strong. Because just hearing your story, this again reaffirms, as you said, it's not like एक दिन उठ के बोले चलो podcast करते हैं, right? There's a whole story behind it. There's like literally years, decades of a build up to the moment saying, okay, now that time has come. अभी podcast का time आ गया है. And hearing your story, just the way you said it so beautifully, so, like from your heart was speaking, right?
Very
And I obviously you probably do not know this, but in 2018, my wife was diagnosed with breast cancer, right?
that is why.
So I'm just saying that it's amazing how like life has a way of setting up the stories, and I'm sure you've seen this. At some point, it no longer becomes your story because it doesn't define you anymore. That's when you're like, okay, abhi waqt aaya hai to share this with the world, to tell other people so that they also wake up from whatever.
Exactly.
Yeah.
मैं एक छोटी सी बात बताऊंगी राहुल.
Mhm.
Although I'm really blessed to have that I'm here, इतनी बड़ी कम्युनिटी से हूँ मैं, डॉक्टर एम की, देन इमरान सर की. Still I am the chosen one for this podcast. I'm so lucky to be here. लोग एक्चुअली तरस जाते हैं कहीं आने पे लिए, मंजर पे आने के लिए, बट उनको मौका नहीं मिलता है ना. तो आज जब सुबह हुआ, जब मैं उठी, तो आज भी मैं सुबह भगवान को सिर्फ एक ही चीज बोली. मैंने कहा भगवान, ये मेरे लिए इतनी बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी जो आ रही है, ये मुझे क्यों मिली. एंड मेरे अंदर से सिर्फ एक आवाज आई, सिर्फ एक आवाज, कि बच्चा, एक दरवाजा बंद होता है तो 4 खुलते हैं. डोंट गेट स्कैर्ड, जस्ट गो फॉर इट. And here I am today. And when I'm sharing this with you, actually, I'm feeling पूरी मेरी टमी में ना ऐसे राउंड 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 हो रहा है कि जैसे मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती. But still, I'm here, I'm the chosen one.
Yes. That's why you're the chosen one. उसके बावजूद you're here, you're sharing, and with so much of, जैसे truth बोलते हैं ना, that truth sets you free. It's like literally every moment there's this freedom that's breathing in through and out into the universe, wherever this is meant to be
Go.
received.
Exactly.
It's
नहीं, really, I enjoyed it. और मुझे यही है लाइफ में, कोई भी अगर इतनी सी इंस्पिरेशन भी अगर मेरी स्टोरी से ले, तो I'll be more than happy.
Yeah.
And I am the one. I am somehow a person who loves to give. I'm meant for like that only. अगर अलमारी में 4 सूट डालती हूँ तो 5 बाहर निकाल देती हूँ, चाहे नए पड़े हो. I just give off. बचपन से ही आदत है, ये नहीं कि अब बनी है, बचपन से. पहले मम्मा कहते थे वेस्ट बहुत करती है, पर अब लगता है कि नहीं, इट्स कंट्रीब्यूशन. क्योंकि अब वो सिनेरियोज चेंज हो गए हैं, वर्ड्स चेंज हो गए हैं, थोड़ा लाइफ लैंग्वेजेस चेंज हो गई हैं आफ्टर किड्स हैव कम इन माय लाइफ, बट ठीक है, व्हाटएवर इट इज, आई डू इट बिकॉज आई फील गुड. हम कोई भी काम तभी कर सकते हैं लाइफ में अगर वो अच्छा लग रहा है, अगर हमारी अपनी आत्मा से हम जुड़ रहे हैं उसमें. मीन्स सब कुछ होने के बावजूद my shadi, my marriage was not a successful one. Not a successful one. Even I am telling you today, I am with Ashu. It's okay, but we are friends. Husband wife कभी नहीं बन सकते. जब तक दोस्त हैं, ये रिश्ता चलेगा. जब दोस्ती टूट जाएगी तो आगे चले जाएंगे. तो जिंदगी में बहुत स्ट्रगल देखा है, तभी इतनी सफरिंग भी आई है. इसीलिए समझ में भी आता है मुझे कि जो छोटे छोटे स्ट्रेसेस लोग देख रहे हैं, कर रहे हैं, झेल रहे हैं, सब समझ में आते हैं. बहुत जल्दी जो लोग वर्ड्स में बोलते भी नहीं है, आई गेट दैट. जब लाइक आपके लिए भी मैंने ये बोल दिया कि आप ऐसे ही नहीं उठ के आ गए, I can see I can see many things. I don't know. God has gifted me with this.
Mm,
So I'm an observer also, a very good observer.
mm,
I can
mm.
feel. जब मैंने handwriting analysis भी किया ना, I have done over 150 analysis,
Wow.
and I have right now 10 students who are
Mm,
actively working for me
mm.
with me. And today itself, for the first time, I have started live sessions of practicing, daily
Oh,
practice.
nice. Nice.
From today
Very
itself.
nice.
वो भी आज
Beautiful.
था सी तो
Beautiful.
आज सुबह से वो शुरू हुआ है एंड आई नो
Mm,
अभी बहुत कुछ होना है जिंदगी में बहुत आगे जा
mm, mm.
जस्ट दी शुरुआत
Correct.
एज somebody says पेबल होता है और फिर पहाड़ बनता है वो पेबल हुआ अभी तो वो पेबल से भी पहाड़ में
Right.
जाने में टाइम
Yeah.
लगेगा ठीक है बट
Mm,
यस जितना जिंदगी में किसी के लिए कर सकूं आई विल बी
beautiful.
super thankful for Almighty for giving me that
Mm.
opportunity.
So I have one question which you may have heard me ask it before, since you did mention that you did watch a few. Uh, if you go further back, you talked about, primarily journey from 2020.
Yeah.
But if you go further back, do you remember having a sign, a indicator कि ये आने वाला था, what you're doing today and who you're being today? Do you ever sort of remember from far back as your mind takes you now, कि this is actually who I've always been?
आई डोंट रिमेम्बर पर एक चीज मुझे याद है कि जब मुझे कैंसर हुआ था ना तब उस टाइम कुछ ऐसा हो गया था मेरे को कि मींस आई वाज हैविंग इन माई सेल्फ जिसे कहते हैं ना बहुत सारी पर्सनालिटीज मेरे अंदर आ गई थी वो भी कुछ होता होगा दिमाग में कुछ दिमाग में कहते हैं ना केमिकल लोचा हो गया तो वो लोचा कुछ हो गया था मेरे दिमाग में बिकॉज ऑफ कीमोस एंड बिकॉज ऑफ एंजाइटी दैट मेरी सर्जरी हो गई ब्रेस्ट इज गोइंग टू गेट रिमूव्ड सो उसकी एक एंजाइटी थी तो उसकी वजह से वो केमिकल लोचा हो गया अब वो लोचा हो गया तो उससे मेरे को 7-8 पर्सनालिटीज मेरे अंदर आ गई तो दैट टाइम आई गॉट कनेक्टेड टू गुरुजी छतरपुर वाले गुरुजी यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट हिम तो उनसे मैं कनेक्ट हुई फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो मेरे अंदर आए हैं आई डोंट नो वो आए थे या नहीं आए थे बट मेरे दिमाग को ऐसा लग रहा था ही इज इनसाइड मी तो आई वाज बिहेविंग जस्ट लाइक हिम आल्सो यू नो वन ऑफ माय पर्सनालिटीज वर बिहेविंग लाइक हिम तो दैट टाइम जो आप बोल रहे हो ना तो मुझे वही टाइम याद तो इन दैट टाइम इन मिरर व्हाट आई एम सीइंग इज दैट आई एम वेयरिंग व्हाइट चोला white kapde, pura white, and I'm like in this posture, giving this. And so many people are sitting there and they're just like taking. So I had a vision of that then.
Wow. That's amazing.
मुझे मतलब उसका तब समझ में नहीं आया अभी भी नहीं समझ में आया बट जब आपने पूछा तो वही इमेज सामने आई
That's amazing. I to put it into context, I would not have expected you to say that. Like usually when you ask a question, like, do you remember a time? For most often हम लोग पीछे जाते हैं, like, college के ज़माने में या school के ज़माने में or even earlier. So, I mean, it's very, very powerful. And considering that you said it, I don't know if you remember it, but when we started, you said like, I'm a healer. And just the way you said it also, it was it's not just a title. मतलब कि ज़हन से you were speaking that.
राहुल पता है क्या है अब वही एक और चीज आ रही है मन में अब आप बोल रहे हो तो एक और चीज मन में आ रही है जितना हम लोहे को तपाते हैं जितना हम लोहे को कष्ट देते हैं उतना ही वो निखर के आता है
Beautiful.
तो शायद मैं भगवान का वही बंदा हूँ जिससे वो अच्छे से टेस्ट कर रहा है जिसे कहते हैं ना अच्छे से वाइन कर रहा है
Correct.
कुछ चाहता है मुझसे
Wow.
Maybe.
Wow. I've just heard something that for the longest time I would, ask this question because sort of as a parallel, I've been doing this work now 20 साल से ऊपर, जब से मेरे को मालूम था कि ये पाथ पे चलना है कैसे होगा, क्या मार्केट क्या है, whatever, no idea. But it was just something that वो बीज जैसे बोलेंगे ना, that was very clear. And just now when you said it, I made a connection कि 20 साल से अगर आप तपोगे तो कुछ तो निकलेगा उससे.
बिल्कुल बिकॉज वन ऑफ जब मुझे कैंसर हुआ ना, तो जो मेरी बड़ी क्लोज फ्रेंड है, गुरलीन है उसका नाम, आई लाइक टू मेंशन हर नेम, शी सेड, नताशा, ये भगवान पता है किसको देता है? जो इसे संभाल सकता है.
Yeah.
उसे पता है तो फाइट कर लेगी ना. And she was the only one who came to meet me when my chemo port was actually, planted. Here it was planted there.
Wow.
And I have a scar here. And एक ना scar जो होता है ना, it has two memories. One is the pain memory, which when you see, you have that, सारा कुछ याद आता है, right? और एक scar है जो उसकी अपनी थोड़ी सी pain है, because it is not healed.
Sure. Yeah.
Right? But for me, it is not just the scar. It's not the pain memory. It's the tigress in me. And I want to fight it back.
Yeah.
And I want that no lady on this earth should suffer. Just because वो पापा की परी है. No. Nobody has given this license on earth to men to treat their wives like this, the way I am treated. No. I'm really sorry, but no. हम बहुत प्यार से आते हैं किसी के घर में, उसको सजाने आते हैं, हमें लिटरली तोड़ दिया जाता है. ऐसे ही नहीं इतनी बड़ी बड़ी बीमारियां होती. कैंसर कोई छोटी बीमारी नहीं है. हम कह देते हैं आजकल इन्वायरमेंट में पोल्यूशन है, ये है, वो है, इसलिए आ रहा है. प्लीज एक्सक्यूज मी, इट इज जस्ट द स्ट्रेस. डू यू सी द स्ट्रेस लेवल? छोटा सा बच्चा उठाओ आज के दिन, उसको भी स्ट्रेस होगा सिर्फ इस चीज का कि मम्मा मुझे छू नहीं रही, या मेरे मम्मा के पास टाइम नहीं है मेरे लिए. बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज ऑन फोन. किसी के पास टाइम ही नहीं है, सच में टाइम नहीं है. हस्बैंड वाइफ में कन्वर्सेशन नहीं होती. फोन पे पता होता है कौन कहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है, दुनिया में कौन कहाँ है सब पता है, पर बीवी जो बगल में बैठी है उसके ये पता है कि उसके दर्द हो रहा है. टाइम नहीं है उसके लिए. और है तो बोल दिया जाता है ये तो बचपन से ही हो रहा है तुम्हें. What kind of sarcasm is this? ठीक है, this is India. This is marriage. And बचपन से ही लड़कियों को बड़े अच्छे तरीके से सिखा दिया जाता है, तुम्हें कॉपरेट करना है, तुम्हें वही रहना है, चाहे वो तुम्हें तुम्हारा कत्ल ही कर दें, पर तुम्हें वही रहना है. That is your house. So I mean, lot of suffering I had with myself. मैं उसको नहीं याद करना चाहती, but somewhere you touched, so it knocked out. But नहीं भैया, किसी और को नहीं सफर करने देना. मैं कहती हूँ मेरे साथ ठीक है, जो होना था that was my destiny. But अगर एक भी जिंदगी और ठीक कर सकूं, I'll be blessed with that. And I will do it. जितना हो सकेगा करूंगी, जब तक जिंदा हूं करूंगी. और मैं कहीं ना कहीं राहुल, आज ये भी एक और रिवीलेशन आई मुझे अभी अभी आपसे बात करते हुए. जैसे ये रिवीलेशन आई ना कि मैं जिद्दी हूँ, तो एक ये रिवीलेशन भी आज मुझे आई बात करते करते कि मनी इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर मी. इतना इम्पोर्टेंस देती हूँ कि मनी चाहिए मनी चाहिए मनी चाहिए. नहीं, मनी से ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. एंड फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स आई माई सेल्फ आई एम सेइंग पैसा आ जाएगा अपने आप जब आना है. कर्म मैंने पूरे करने हैं, जितना हो सकेगा I'll do. So, by this podcast, if anybody connects with me and wants कि मैं उसका थोड़ा सा भी स्ट्रेस कम कर सकती हूँ, please connect with me. That's my humble request. Please.
And just to add here, one of the reasons of doing these podcasts is for people to hear you, for people to receive your message. जैसे आपको, it's like if it's like a download that came to you, and in the moment you're sharing it now. The other part of this podcast being here is so that people will find you, right? So the links are will be shared so people can reach out to you. And as you said, if in any way that you can, that you're keep making that as an opportunity for people to like say, okay, you know what, jo hua so hua, but from this moment on you're choosing to go a different path,
Exactly.
right? Let me ask you a very important question, because you said something a little while back, and I'm saying this also because like you talk about graphotherapy, which has become your brahmastra. Like
Exactly.
in my journey, one of the things I discovered over a period of time, like for me, hypnosis is my brahmastra. Everything else is add on, like all the
Yeah.
many courses that we would have done over a period of time. वो journey के हिसाब से we
Mm.
have, जैसे जब लोग you would have seen this when people travel to different countries, वो घर fridge magnet लेके वापस आते हैं, right? so, so,
You
so
were
we have notes, books, right? We have acronyms, right? We have many communities that we've been part of on the journey,
yeah,
right?
sure. Mm.
But because you've discovered कि आपके life में graphotherapy is something that truly has resonated, and where that literally, like you said, you're on that journey today into 46, where when you're seeing somebody, you're actually seeing them. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, like I really see you,
Mm.
that in the true sense, right? So maybe for a few minutes, or you can share us whatever you're feeling in the moment, which is जब कोई आपके सामने आता है, like when someone comes to you, and because you mentioned in parts like maybe an organ that's not functioning properly, or you mentioned a couple of
Yeah,
micro stories, but I'm just saying so that it can help more people
yeah,
कि
sure.
ये it's like not even saying graphotherapy होता क्या है, but it's like when someone comes to you, like if we were the fly on the wall to see कि what is it that you're doing with them, what's that is done, क्या होता है?
Firstly, we take the handwriting sample
Hmm.
and we just analyze it.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
We can analyze it in two ways.
Hmm.
One is the trait aspect. The traits is how your personality is, how your
Hmm.
strengths are, right?
Hmm.
What is your thinking pattern and all that, right?
Hmm.
And one is your diseases,
Hmm.
your organs, your
Hmm.
body problems. So we see it in two aspects,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Both are different and we
Hmm.
get paid for it differently.
Hmm.
That is another part of it.
Hmm.
But what happens is, for me, it is like this.
Hmm.
कि जब मैंने देख लिया अगर इस बंदे को ये प्रॉब्लम है, तो फिर जिसे कहते हैं ना, I can relate again to my story and I don't want any suffering for him or her.
Correct.
And then at that moment, I suggest please go for graphotherapy.
Hmm.
But everybody's not willing.
Correct.
At that time, also, I say that if you have anything, if you are a creative person, you can draw, or you can dance, or you can write something, please do that. Because meanwhile, in my journey, I have seen this that when I did mandalas, they had huge impact on me.
Right.
Somehow my mind got clarity when I was working on the mandalas. So I know drawing is also a very powerful tool, and journaling, तो we all know how important it is, right? So ऐसे कि कुछ लिख लो भैया, कुछ नहीं, ज़्यादा ग्राफो नहीं करना, मतलब, but I do guide them, do something. अब it depends upon them that they take grapho or they choose these options.
Tell us a little bit more about grapho. Supposing कोई आता है and they've reached this point. So obviously, that trust has been built.
Yeah.
Whatever you have said till now, from handing over the handwriting sample to your analysis, somewhere it has connected with the person, and they're like, okay, you're saying graphotherapy. I don't know what it is, what is it that you do in that?
ग्राफोथेरेपी में क्या होता है, पैटर्न्स बने होते हैं, राइट, एंड दे आर द पैटर्न्स व्हिच एक्चुअली हेल्प यू टेक, जैसे हम लिखते हैं ना जब,
Correct.
हमारी एक तो नॉर्मल राइटिंग है, राइट, एक हम थोड़ा सा अपने लाइफ मतलब इसको पुश करते हैं, ज्यादा मूवमेंट होती है, हाफ अ इंच भी अगर इतनी भी मूवमेंट अगर ज्यादा होगी ना, तो हमारे ब्रेन का एक पार्ट है विच इज कॉल्ड हीलिंग पार्ट, यू नो, विच इज राइट नाउ हम उसे कहते हैं वो सो रहा है। वो क्यों सो रहा है? बिकॉज आई हैव टू गो, इट्स अ स्टोरी देयर दैट जब अर्ली मैन था, राइट, तो तब उस टाइम यू नो कितनी ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स थी, इन द सेंस अगर उसको कोई जख्म होता था, किसी एनिमल ने काटा, तो वो जख्म होता था, राइट, या कहीं से उसको कोई लोहा लग गया या कुछ लग गया, बिकॉज दैट वाज द टाइम जब उनके पास यही औजार थे, राइट। तो आप सोचो कि उसका वो चीज हील कैसे होगा,
राइट।
उस टाइम तो मेडिकल साइंस नहीं थी,
करेक्ट।
अब तो है, पर उस टाइम तो नहीं थी। पर इंसान तो उस टाइम भी हील होता था ना, वो कैसे हील होता था? there's a part of us which is called a healing part, which is in our brain, but over the period it has slept. Why? Because हमारा इतना ज्यादा कम्युनिकेशन में हो गया है मेडिकल साइंस, दवाई ले लो, तो इट हैज स्लेप्ट। जो ये मैं अभी आपको बता रही हूँ, ये स्टडी, इट इज नॉट बाय इमरान सर, it is not exactly by Dr. Meghna, it is the merging of both which I have got. So this is my understanding, and for me this is true, and even if you see it for yourself, then you realize कि जो नताशा कह रही है बिल्कुल सही कह रही है, because उसका amalgamation जब दोनों का मैं करती हूँ तो मुझे यही बात समझ में आता है कि वो जो healing part है वो तब सो रहा था, हो गया है over the मतलब over the time, this graphotherapy is leading to wake that up, और जब वो वेक हो गया तो उसने हमें हील करना ही करना है।
Wow. Oh, nice. So you're using the graphotherapy as a way to, like a, क्या बोलते हैं, like a lever.
Yeah, you can say liver, and I say that it's a magic book. You just do it and you see the results for yourself.
Right. Yeah. Ultimately, it is by doing.
One page, only one page, only 10 minutes. And you know, people say हमारे पास time नहीं है. Because they don't want to change.
So maybe we'll look at the other side of the coin for a second, which is जिन लोगों ने आपकी बात मानी, हाँ, and they said, अच्छा, only 10 minutes, are you sure that's it? And आपने बोला हाँ, तो उन्होंने लिखना शुरू किया कि हर दिन 10 minutes, 10 मिनट के बाद 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. What was their journey after that? Like क्या हुआ? What were some of their stories?
Yeah, I like to share that also. अभी मेरे तो शायद 9-10 स्टूडेंट्स ही हैं, but you know, from the community where I belong,
correct,
there are thousands of people who are doing this graphotherapy.
Correct.
And when we see the power of it, it is so powerful. It is so powerful, Rahul, that it is working on every small aspect of us, even like calming down us, even the anxiety factor, even the body pains, even, you know, the stress तो जा ही रहता भी calm down. Then Parkinson's जो इतनी बड़ी बीमारी है, that is getting treated.
Wow.
BP is getting treated. Sugar problems, lot of problems are getting treated by this. It is such a powerful medium, you know. But बात वही आ जाती है अल्टीमेटली, जो मैं अभी आपको कह रही हूँ, लोग अपने आप को चेंज करने को तैयार नहीं है. People are not ready to change their life. They're not ready to let their suffering go. That is the main problem.
Got it. So I'll say this: the intention of this podcast is completely aligned to what you're saying, which is we are collectively, collaboratively, we are increasing and raising that vibration, ताकि जो लोगों को ये सुनना है, it is like they are saying, oh my God, Natasha, where were you all my life?
Oh God.
Right? और जैसे जैसे they hear as you talk about, yes, I was on this podcast and this is what I was sharing, and as that, it क्या बोलते हैं, like a ripple effect, right? And you know this from your own experience. You've been in many communities. जिन लोगों को ये सुनना है वो सुनेंगे,
बिल्कुल सुने,
जिन लोगों को ये पाना है वो पाएंगे, जिन लोगों को ट्रांसफॉर्म होना है वो
उन्हें
होंगे ही,
बिल्कुल
वो
मिलेगा.
होंगे ही.
As I told you na, that flickering of Dr. M, which I saw
Exactly.
on the airport,
Yes,
it
that very
came
first time.
it came to me because that was planned for me.
Yes, I completely believe in that. I
Yeah.
had a similar story way back in 2019 on a different pod. We'll talk about that, but I completely
Sure.
understand what you're saying, because, and this is why we do this, right? That हम लोग एक नहीं दो लोग, we are like, sending that,
Convincing people, yeah.
right? We are, and here's my point. We are sending those vibrations out because हमारा belief है कि लोग सुन रहे हैं. And now we are stepping up, like you said, in spite of all that feeling inside, you stood up and you said, hey, I'm here. This is my story. Right? And जो इससे ripples होने वाले हैं, वो तो हो चुके हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि होने वाला है. It's already happened.
Exactly. Because वही बात है ना, we are Wi-Fi tower. और जो इतना
Exactly.
कुछ निकला है तो वो बाहर गया ही है.
100%.
और वो जब गया है तो उस कहीं ना कहीं उसकी वाइब्रेशंस कहीं.
100%. I believe that. I'll tell you, I'll say it to you like this, linking back to what you said sometime a little while back, कि जो मैंने 20 साल पहले सिर्फ आइडिया के तौर पे it came to me. I had no, how could I have imagined ऐसा एक प्राणी होगा जिसका नाम जूम होगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
20 years ago किसको क्या मालूम था?
Nobody can
But
even think of. Yeah.
right, that we would be connected like this. It wouldn't matter where we are, which city, what time zone, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
कोई दिक्कत.
But here we are connected, like literally as if we are sitting in the same space.
Exactly.
Right? So to me, I really truly believe that people have heard you today, and I'm saying this at a higher or lower, whichever energy you call it, at a conscious level. If I say it, ki my wish is that more people find you, which is how normally everybody talks. But I'm also saying this, that जिनको ये आवाज सुनना था उन्होंने सुन लिया है, वो frequency पकड़ लिया उन्होंने. And they will literally, when you'll be like ting tong, you'll get those alerts that, okay, so and so has booked a session with you or a call with you. It'll remind you that it's like, it's something I've discovered over now many years. It's just 2 words. अपने ये 2 शब्द हैं कि just to show up. वो आप कर रहे हो in spades, right? In spite of everything, you show up every single day. तो जो आपके हित में है, what is meant for you, which is coming to you, it is coming to you.
I know.
So yeah,
Whatever you said, everything is true, and it will definitely come to me.
yeah,
Whatever
right?
I am meant for,
Yes,
it will come.
yes, exactly, right? So a couple of things, of course, as we slowly start to land this plane for the moment. I know, like I may have mentioned this to you before, but I'll say it again now, that this is the opportunity for me to meet the people who I'm meant to meet.
Yes.
Right? Like this kind of time आज के ज़माने में नहीं मिलता है.
बिल्कुल नहीं मिलता.
Where can you have a 1-hour conversation with somebody आज के ज़माने में?
जिसको हम जानते भी नहीं हैं,
Exactly. Right? So for me, this is a dream come true. For me, this is me building that universe of right-minded people,
Yeah.
who are already aligned, not for our gain. It is to be able to, grow that space so that कल जब लोग आएंगे, we are already prepared the ground for them. जैसे कि दूसरों ने हमारे लिए किया है. All the people that you have met in your life, all the people I have met in my life, they prepared the ground many years before we even realized we were going to be in their space.
बिल्कुल सही बात है राहुल। लाइक डॉक्टर एम की जर्नी 17 में शुरू हुई थी।
हाँ,
17 में।
yeah.
And see, I never
And
knew that I'm going to meet her one day.
if you go even further back, she's been doing this for what, 20 plus years,
Yeah, 20 plus years.
right? तो वो जो कैनाल डिगिंग जो बोलते हैं ना कि नल के लिए घर में है, you just turn on the tap and it's available. That canal has been built, that channel has been built over decades.
You know, I tell you one thing. अभी अब आपने अब मेरा दिल छू लिया तो वो अंदर से दिल होता है। I told you ना, for the community, for the Dr. M's community, I used to take classes. I told you. And you know, one of my community mate, his name is Dev Mishra. He's from Chennai. अब तो बड़े दिन हो गए उनसे बात भी नहीं हुई है। बट आपने ये बोला तो याद आई आज उनकी देव की। तो देव यूज्ड टू से कि हमारी डॉक्टर एम तो नताशा ही है।
Wow.
So
Wow.
you know,
Yeah.
he somehow gave me that vision that you are there for us. So वही बात है, कोचेस तो हर रोज बनते हैं, पता नहीं
Yes.
कितने बनते हैं, कितने उठते हैं, है ना? पर किसने कितना किस पे असर डालना है या किसने कितना किसको लेके चलना है आगे,
Yes.
नहीं जानते।
Yeah.
नहीं जानते,
100%.
बिल्कुल नहीं जानते।
100%.
बस दिल से यही मेरी दुआ है, या अपने दिल से भी मैं यही बोलती हूँ कि जो भी जिसके लिए कर सकूंगी पूरी दिल से करूंगी, पूरी शिद्दत से करूंगी।
Beautiful. Amazing. Amazing. So, you know, two things. जाने से पहले, one is, you know, firstly, thank you for truly being present and to be so connected to your heart and to share from there. And I know that people have received this really, really deeply. And I know that there are people that have watched till this point. And the ones like you who's watched till this point, I also know that you know that there's something about Natasha that has really connected with you, right? And like you were also sharing thodi der pehle, Natasha, that you are, you know, extending that space for people to reach out. And as I said, we are also sharing the link so people can find you, whether it is aaj, kal, 1 साल बाद, 5 साल बाद, 10 साल बाद, doesn't matter. ये आज के ज़माने में ये इंटरनेट है,
बिल्कुल।
This lives on, right? And so people will find you, and you know, the details are there, so they can definitely connect with you. And of course, for those of you who've listened till now, do follow Natasha on her social handles, and you know, keep in touch. And this is your way to continue the journey with Natasha. Yeah.
Rahul, thank you so much. I'm really blessed to be here.
Amazing. So one thing to remind all of you that you've reached this point, which means you are truly the chosen one. And you know, something I like to remind all of us, especially as healers, as coaches, as healer coaches, is that remember to live your purpose. God bless. And of course, we will be back with more amazing people who, like, collectively, it's like this galaxy of goodness, this galaxy of really deep change that we're creating. So for me, this is literally like, you know, as you were mentioning, 1-2 saal se nahi hai. This idea has been brewing somewhere inside, and it is now, it's a reality. And you know, we will be back with more. And from my side, as gratitude, like I said, you know, we have somebody like this work that we do, हम अकेले नहीं कर सकते हैं, right? We always have people who will find us, who will connect with our energy, and who want to share this mission with more and more people in the world. And I know you have been interacting with Devasmita a lot.
Yeah.
And in our community, she does a lot of work. Like you said, that, you know, for your community members, you are there, Dr. M, and that's said out of reverence. You know, so Devasmita is somebody who is working tirelessly to, you know, make these connections and to truly find amazing people who are, you know, there. I mean, it's, and like they say, picture to abhi baki hai. right? It's just getting started.
It's really so sweet
Yeah.
to give me this opportunity from my heart.
Right?
Yeah,
Amazing.
God bless.
So,
God bless
yeah.
you.
So, as we slowly start to wrap up, I'm just going to pause the stream here.
Yeah.
Okay. And with that, we are almost done. Let me just set my window one more time. Okay, with that, for those of you watching here, thank you very much. And as always, remember to live your purpose. So